Okay. We just had an incident. We're at this micro death motel in Baton Rouge. Miss Ashley picked it, so I don't know what she was thinking. And so for one, there's mold on the shower curtain, on the inside and outside. And two, there's stains on the bed. And then three, we tried to plug up the TV because it wasn't working. We plugged up the TV and it started smoking. So I believe that we deserve a full refund for our trouble.
Yes. They up their room. Locked up from
So, okay.
They got the key. They got the key.
Okay. So yeah.